This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Kids' birthday parties, coronavirus. I'm driving home this morning, I hear on the radio the young DJs asking people to phone in and say what their problems were, the biggest problems they'd had while the coronavirus was on. And a woman rings in and says that her 4-year-old daughter's birthday party last week had to be cancelled and the 20 kids coming couldn't make it. Oh. But she said it's all right. We put the pinata up. Yeah, well, that's very Australian. And then we put balloons all around the yard and painted the fence. And we got a big cake out. And then we had a video conference with all the kids. A 4-year-old. Not 21st, a 4-year-old. And you just wonder why you got 1 to 2 generations of kids who are consumption junkies by the time they're 20 and believe they're that entitled to everything and they won't go out and do the menial tasks, let alone anything they're asked to do at home. And then with months and months of them turning around, suiciding and not coping and stressing out to the max. What the hell are you trying to do? A 4-year-old birthday party. Wake up, Australia, before you go blind. This is Harry Vocal.